What you are witnessing is the criminals are taking the cash in transit van. I may not know much of what is happening now. I'm the guy that rectifies what is happening. What you see here are the criminals trying to open the cash in transit van. Question is, how do you deal with such people who are already on the fourth stage of the commission of a crime? We shall assume that the cash van is already open. They move to the next phase of stealing the cash, to be precise. We leave them here, the money is gone. What is happening next is the police officers intercepting the heist, leaving no stones unturned. This is how you deal with criminals. What you are witnessing is the hold of the cash in transit. As we witness our officers has hammered the criminals down. We can confidently see that as they approach, they are doing so tactically, making sure that every suspect has been restrained. Removing all the firearms from them, making sure that they are safe. They are currently clearing the scene in case there's a suspect that was left in the vehicle. Not doing that will be very detrimental to their well-being. I can clearly confirm that the suspects have been apprehended. The scene is safe, and normally under such circumstances, the next stakeholders will come to the scene to clear the scene and make sure that everything is safe. I thank you.